Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will create a simple block. At the command line, type CI for circle. We're going to type 0, 0, 0, enter for the XYZ coordinates. We're going to make the radius of this circle 10. We're going to press enter to repeat the circle command. This time, I'm going to use the OSnap center to place my second circle. This circle, let's make it radius 7. Okay. Let's put a hatch pattern. At the command line, type H. We're going to pick between the two circles. Okay, so now we have two circles and a hatch pattern. Let's make a block. At the command line, type B for block. This opens up the block definition dialog box. We're going to name our block B1. Here, our selection looks good. And it also looks good here. We're going to click Select Objects to select our 3 objects. As you can see here, we have a preview. And it looks good. Let's press OK. So now we have a group. At the properties here, you'll see that this is now a block reference. The name is B1. So let's say you've deleted your block accidentally. You can come into the command line, type insert, and here you will see the latest blocks or your most recent blocks. And there goes B1, the one that we just created. Just double click on B1 and place it anywhere on your screen. And there you have it, folks. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.